So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Farhan Khan. You are watching Let's Speak. Today, the session is going to rock. You know what? Yesterday I got a question. Farhan, I don't have any content. I don't have any friend who speak English. How I can improve my English? How I enhance my vocabulary? How I recall my vocabulary? And lots of questions. Blah blah blah. Are you mad? If you have the same question, then don't worry. Today I'm going to show, not say, I'm going to show how you can create your story, your content, so, with the help of that stuff, which whatever you have surrounding in your in your home, in anywhere. If you have anything, explain about that. It's also a kind of content. Even it's also help to imaginative thought and creative mind, critical thinking. So let's see how I look. Today I'm on terrace, and yeah, I have lots of plants and vegetables. So with the help of that, I make story. I speak more and more. Definitely I speak 10 and 15 minutes with the help of that my stuff. I don't want to. I don't. I do because I don't have to need any particular friend who speak English, any particular content, because I know I know I can speak with the help of anything. So let's see. And firstly, you can see I'm second floor on terrace, and you can see firstly I want to start with there. I have lots of flowers and some soap plant. So let's see how I can create my story with the help of that pot. So firstly you can see this is curry leaves. I think you all know about that. This is very useful in a kitchen. Sometimes we make as a tadka with the help of that. Oh my god, you can, if you only cook the pearls and you don't have any vegetable, but if you have curry leaves, you can make a good tadka with the help of that, and your pearls, oh my god, it's so delicious, become so delicious. And you can see I have lots of plants, but recently I just I want to show in that plant, marigold, because nowadays the season is winter and marigold is very good looking flowers. There is a teeny touchwood, I call chui moi. Whenever you touch that, you can see their leaves look like a dyed. And there is a onion tree, green onion, and you can see there is lots of flowers I have. It looks so good, and you can see how good a good amount of flowers they come in my in my garden. You can see there is lots of plant and lots of also leaf. This is the soap plant, and that is the basil, and another soap plant. And that all this pot I saw yesterday, coriander and soya and some radish seeds. Definitely after 1 week it will grow, it will sprout, and after 1 month they are completely become as a harvesting. Now you can see this is a tomato plant. So this is my little terrace garden, and I have another plant of another side. So you can see help of that. If you have anything, you can speak, because nothing is any other way to enhance your speaking skill and practice. You can see this is a beans tree, and you can see there is beans as also beans. Some beans also came on that. You can see a little beans. Firstly flowers come, and after that it become beans, and when it will grow like as it's about to harvest it after 1 month. Yeah, it will be you can see it will be mature. Then I will harvest, and after that, look at that, there is 2 and 3. I show you with back camera. Oh my god, here is you can see very big beans. They are it's so bustling areas, so congested. You can see flowers come, and flowers they slowly they become beans. and some I think some insect they are you destroy their leaves as well. And you can see this is the plant of chiku, and there is no plant. I think that is one flower, but it and there is a coriander. You can see the how bushy coriander. And my mom harvested 2 times in from here. You can see, and now you can see Zoha is also coming here. Zoha, he just wake up recently, so that's why she don't want to speak anything. So friend, this is my garden. You can see with whenever I came here, I make lots of sentence about it, uses, about how to use, how to seed, how to sow, and their quality and all very kind of thing I speak more than. And now you can see there is another I have lots of plant. So let's see that is, I don't know the name of that flower, but it's look good. You know, their leaves is too red and green, and there is also some, I think that is fruit. And there is that is another, I have chiku plant, and this is custard apple, and this is mehendi. You can see spinach, palak, and some I called arvi, I don't know the name of English. And this is my grapes plant, and you can see it grow so fast, but there is no any fruits came. And you know, I have pomegranate. One is big and three is like not as good big, but yeah, slowly it will be big, and one day they will ripe, and after that I'll grab and I will harvest and eat. This is berries, and that is also mehendi, and that is lemon tree. That you can see here I saw, you know, this is coriander, and as well there is some, I think, yeah, radish. This is radish, and you can see that is my tiny lemon. You can see how the plant is very small, but even then, you know, it's on that plant there is lots of lemon came, and my mom also harvest whenever they get ripe. Oh my god, there is also another. You can see it is for harvesting. It's become yellow, it's mean that is ready for harvesting. And you can see how I make video, how I make sentences with the help of that, and speak more and more. I just show you the tips. But whenever I come in my terrace, I spend 1 and 2 minutes only for one pot, one plant, and speak about their growth, their quality and all. And now I have another, there is also another plant, because you know I don't have any particular ground, but I love gardening, so that's why I used to lots of soil. You know, you can see I bring from there is a pond, and the river of pond. The soil is very fertilizer, very good, so that's why I bring from that, and I put on in grow bag. And if I have a bucket, useless bucket, use pot, whatever I get find in my home, I used to fill them soil, and also some nutrients from market, and also buy some seeds and sow them. And now you can see the result of that. Hey Zoha, no, don't do. Yeah, so let's see there what kind of seeds, what kind of vegetable I show you. आई फॉरगेट, ये होता है ना फ्रेंड, जब हम कभी बोलते हैं इसे हम अटक जाता है, तो यही चीज़ें हम जब अटक जाते हैं तो उसको हम कॉपी पे लिखें और उसको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करें, ताकि आगे बोलने में हमें आसानी हो. You can see that is first plant. This is tomato plant, and you can see there is radish, and this is garlic. You can see this is garlic, and slowly it become thick, and after 1 and 2 months inside the clove. Firstly use 1 clove, and 1 clove after 2 months become a whole garlic clove. You can see that is radish, and inside their root become so so strong, and it's called radish. Another is radish. I saw there is lots of garlic. My mom, I think, he showed in some radish seeds, and it's look like good. I love this that vegetable radish leaves and with potato. I love. You can see slowly they are becoming. And that is another tomato plant. And this is guava. You can see lots of flowers came also, and some become like slowly they are becoming like a guava. And definitely some days, after some day, when it will grow good as a for harvesting, I harvest. You can see. So yeah, there is another. Oh my god, I think, yeah, sometimes I'm confused. Mustard leaves and what radish leaves, same. You can see inside the it's become so old. And that is my mango tree. Definitely after some time it will be it will gives me fruit. I have lemongrass tree. You can see lemongrass. And there is another soya. They are used for in vegetable topping, used as a topping. And you can see there is a mango tree, another mango tree. And there is my another coriander. I used to so lots of coriander because it's very useful thing. So, but I don't know why they are become yellowish. I have to use some fertilizer. You know, there is another. We can see. Wow, Zoha, look. I think she is very tired. Oh my gosh, flew. Lemon. And this is blackberry. And there is there was a space, so that's why I used to I saw some coriander. And look, coriander also came very good enough. And this is papaya. And also this is coriander and also green, sorry, with garlic. That was a what the thing, guava tree. But now we can see it will it's getting dry. I don't know why. And that is fertilizer. So I buffalo and cow dung, when I get find, I soak them, and after that it will become a fertilizer. And after some time I used to in every pot. It's very good and very it's not harmful for our health. And you can see that is my big papaya. That is my garden. You can see. And I love to take care of them. So as you can see how I make videos, how I do practice with the help of that. And I love gardening. So if you have any particular garden, if you also used to do like terrace gardening, so please say in a comment box which kind of vegetable, which kind of fruit you have in your terrace garden or any garden. सो तो फ्रेंड, ये था आज का हमारा वीडियो. तो आपने देखा कि अगर हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हर चीज़ें उपलब्ध हों. कभी कभी हमें अपनी नीड को अपने से पूरे करने की आवश्यकता होती है. तो इस तरीके से आप इंग्लिश बोलते रहें. डेफिनेटली एक दिन में नहीं होगा, बट हाँ एक दिन ज़रूर होगा. तो ऐसे बोलते रहें और लेट्स स्पीक के साथ जुड़े रहें. चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें. लाइक बटन नहीं दबाया तो लाइक कर दें और अपने सारे फ्रेंड को शेयर कर दें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.